I turned an artist's music video into a full horror game. The artist is one of the most legendary in the YouTube space. We are talking about no other than CG5. He's known for creating songs based on some of the biggest horror games out there, like Five Nights at Freddy's, Puppy Playtime, and many more. This time, I'm turning one of his Five Nights at Freddy's songs into a full game. Oh man! I started by importing his character, who was created by Tico, which is an amazing artist. Then I added some movement animations and he started to look insane. I began building the level and decided to set it into an abandoned museum. I lit the rooms properly and we already had a creepy atmosphere. Boy, something was missing. A flashlight. Much better. The tone of the level is fundamental, especially for horror games. I mean, the whole setting has to be spooky. In this case, I think I did a great job on making it look scary with a combination of no light, flashlight, sounds, and a lot of 3D effects. So hopefully this turns out actually scary. With that said, it was time to bring in Freddy. But first, I had to give CG5 some dance moves from his music videos. So I went to hit a huge animation library for 3D and grab some insane CG5's official moves. They also have an Unreal Engine 5 plugin, so importing the animations was super easy. I hooked them up with an emote selection system and boom, CG5 can now dance mid-horror. Alright, with that done, I imported an insane Freddy 3D model and got it to walk around. To add immersion, I added 3D sounds for footsteps and detection. It's definitely spooky, like really spooky. Oh! Run! Oh my! The goal with the game is for CG5 to find 3 lost tapes from his songs. And with that, you win. Okay, I also made a main menu if you didn't notice, but let's go ahead and click play. And let's find the hidden tapes, which are around the museum. As I mentioned, we have the thing to dance, which is pretty cool. That is so cool. Man, and the animations are insane, like for real. The character even, like everything. Everything is cool. Also, I can just deactivate and activate the flashlight, which is essential because Freddy only sees CG5 with the flashlight, okay? So Freddy can only see the light. There we go, we just collect the first tape. We had to find 2 more. We go out into the main part of the museum, so we have to be careful. There's a lot of footsteps, so we don't know where he is. Alright, we have the second tape over here. Let's pick this up. Maybe now it's actually better to go without the flashlight so he doesn't see us. Honestly, I don't see anything, but okay, he's very near. I don't see anything. Okay, he's here. He's down. Oh man! He got CG5. Yeah, he got us. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out more of my work on Gorky Games. And now, yes, with that I said, bye bye.